What do we expect to hear from the president tomorrow night on trade?
I really don't think we're going to hear much beyond the broad platitudes that we've heard now for over a year, an America First strategy. I don't think that he's going to offer that much detail on NAFTA or any of the other side agreements that are ongoing. Tomorrow night is more about a victory lap for the past year when it comes to tax reform and the market success than it is a look ahead at the administration's actions over the next 12 months.
So, Isaac, at the same time, we heard President Trump over in Davos, who seemed to be really trying to reach out to the international leaders and talk about America's not alone, and if we grow, everybody grows together. Do we expect some softening of some of his stances? Because there's some reporting I've seen out of Washington that maybe he's going to move a little toward the middle.
It's been a fun conversation here in D.C. as to whether we're going to see, quote, teleprompter Trump or Twitter Trump. And if we operate under the framework that the president loves positive press, then my bet is we're going to see teleprompter Trump tomorrow evening. But that doesn't mean that Twitter Trump is going away. He will be there right after the speech and the morning after. And so we will have, I think, what will be a pretty bland, typical State of the Union address that is going to go through a litany of the administration's accomplishments and hopes for the year ahead without much in the way of substantive policy.
One of those hopes, no doubt, will be infrastructure, some sort of a plan on infrastructure. We're supposed to get a plan like today or tomorrow, perhaps, out of the administration. Is there any realistic chance of a significant infrastructure bill coming out of Congress this year?
Sadly, I don't see it, David. I think the Republicans and Democrats, while they might agree generally on the concept and the need for infrastructure spending, there is literally no agreement on how to pay for it. And there simply isn't enough urgency on Capitol Hill to cut the check that's necessary to fund the broad-based infrastructure plan that the president's going to talk about tomorrow night.